Morning bakery of early roast to Barcelona. We're heading to Casa Batlló. Today is puro gala. Yesterday kasi puro kami workshop, puro training. Pero ngayon, puro labas naman. Dito kami sa bus, katabi ko si Neil. Neil, hello. Hi. And si Lorenzo, si Ruth. Say hi. Tapos, ayan, napapaligiran kami ng mga may ingay. Ayan, so, ganda pala oh. Yesterday kasi puro gloomy. So ngayon medyo maaraw na, kaya mas na-appreciate ko na yung kapaligiran. Ayan oh, so tingnan niyo.
We talk about the street, the diagonal. Diagonal.
Ayun, so habang naka-stoplight, kwento ko lang kagabi kasi makita niyo naman sa mga previous clips yung pinuntahan namin na parang castle or parang old house. Yung dinner kami kagabi, gawa daw siya ni Gaudi. Nagpunta kami doon around 7 PM and then nakauwi kami mga 11 yata, 11:30 o magto-12 na, parang ganun. So sobrang haba nung time na mag-dinner kasi kinikwento pa nung host yung kada dish. Ayun, okay naman yung dish nila, kaya lang di ko talaga ma-appreciate kakaiba kasi yung lasa. Ewan ko, siguro sa panlasang Pinoy hindi siya familiar talaga. Kaya namimiss ko tuloy yung Asian food. Pero okay lang yan. Ginusto mo yan, te. Ginusto mo pumunta sa Europe. Pero ang ganda talaga dito. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang linis. Tapos parang every corner or every street, meron silang garbage disposal na ang lalaki. Sabi nga nila Ren Rose kagabi, parang kwarto daw yung mga garbage bin. Kasi sobrang lalaki. Well, lahat naman ng mga bagay-bagay dito sobrang laki. Like itong bus, ang haba-haba. Tapos ang lalaki ng mga chair. Yung mga steps ng stairs, ang tataas. Yung half step ko, half step ng Pinoy. Nakakapagod maglakad-lakad. Pero okay lang kasi malamig yung climate. Kasi start pa lang ng spring. So early spring. So parang kakatapos lang ng winter. Kaya malamig pa. Kaya ayan, naka-wool coat ang lola mo. Mamaya, pakita ko na lang ulit kung nakarating na kami dun sa pupuntahan. Yeah. Okay, so touchdown. Malapit na yata yung Casa Batlló. Though hindi ko pa nakita. So, bababa na kami sa bus and sama kayo. How's your ride?
Ang ganda dito.
True.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
At saka maliwanag na.
Tingnan mo. Dun.
Ay, ang ganda! So pretty! May kastilyo. Ayan. So, ayan yung mga European Urnians. Actually, konti na. Parang yung iba kasi umuwi na. So, kami-kami na lang ito. Napagod kami socialize. Napagod kami maging social butterfly kahapon and nung isang araw. Kaya...
Active. Kaya mo si Dito, sabi niya doon daw ako.
Saan?
Kabilang tour.
Sa mga Asians.
Mga Asians daw.
Ayan.
Grabe siya.
Ang daling ma-distinguish ng mga Asian kasi mga cute size kami.
Yeah. Mga maliliit.
Pagkausap namin yung mga European na kaganda. So, ang sakit. Ilang araw masakit yung leeg namin, te. Ang ganda.
Ganda dito. Para ako nasa Enchanted Kingdom.
True.
Na malaki. Na walang rides.
Ganda.
Oh, yung
Ganda.
ate namin,
Social
kasama
butterfly.
yeah, kasama na niya yung mga, taga-Romania.
Correct. Aww. Ganda. O diba? Kahit sa Kalumingon may kastilyo. Kamusta na?
Si Archie at social butterfly na. Si
Asan siya? Andun? Ay, ito pala. Si Archie pala to.
Oo. Social butterfly.
Napansin.
Dalian nyo.
Kasi naman, half yung step natin. Ang hirap umabol.
Kasi yung bias na.
Correct. Ay, yun yung sinasabi kong basurahan na tinatawanan ni Renrose kahapon.
Uy, Prada. Baka pwede pumarada dito. Malay. Meet Jen, my vlogger friend. First time vlogger. You like and subscribe.
Even if they don't have a channel. Paano? Wait lang, announcement.
Okay.
Please.
We are wait here. Okay. Sí, pues
Yes.
nos ponemos
Well,
un poco más para aquí.
See, if not, we can go over there, but there's like a lot of
Too much.
people.
Yeah. No, mejor aquí.
Vale.
Antay daw kami. So, hinati kami sa Tito 5 yata. So, umpisa na lang
Anna, Stanley. Stanley.
Stanley,
Nice to meet you. Hi. Patrick. Patrick Stanley.
You are
Nice to meet you.
Pagano.
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yes.
Philippines.
Yes.
You are my speed dating.
Yes.
And you Patrick.
Yes.
Patrick. Oh.
Jebnar.
Pagano.
Slovakia. Yes. Slovakia, Philippines, Switzerland, Spain. That's right.
So, what's going on?
Yeah, this is the map with some points that we have a problem to solve in each point. So we
Okay.
need to go there.
Estoy, estoy aquí.
Now we are
Casa Matias. Where are we? We are.
But do you know the rules?
yeah, we need to go to each of these.
So we just go to a bar and
So, we're on the move now
around. And we have
for
much more of it.
treasure hunt race.
What is that? Enigma?
So,
It's close to the hotel.
a group ko is from
Opposite
Slovakia,
side. 2 minutes.
From Romania,
And then we went to
and
another one. Is the
from Barcelona.
and
Ayan sila.
like a rock bar was also quite funny.
So, try ko kayo isama. Mahabang lakaran.
Ay, estaba
It's close to the center, but if you get there,
We went by taxi.
it's scary. Yeah.
Okay.
balcones.
Yeah.
Yes.
The balcony.
Mira, this is the second.
This is the second.
It's
Okay.
Yeah, the smallest.
Yeah.
Vale. El primero tiene como unas.
Ah,
I'm
has
not
in
sure
the
this is the first. Javi.
So, we're trying to solve the tingnan nila yung building na yun kasi
Alright, let's put it on top.
Now.
we
Sorry.
have to take a picture.
Yeah. Second.
Ah, we have to read
Multiply the number on the correct
Yeah.
paving stone. So we need to find the paving stone and multiply the numbers together.
On the correct paving stone. Okay.
We need to find the
okay.
the map pattern on the floor.
on the floor.
¿Cómo?
So
On the floor here,
here.
there are patterns. We need to find the correct one and multiply the numbers on it.
Hostia.
But this could be any one of those, and
Yeah, that's a lot.
what? There's so many.
¿Pero cuál?
Ayan, yung ko sila. Ngayon level na kami.
I think it's this one.
No,
No, this
No,
one,
because
this
don't
one.
have this.
Ah, no.
Flower here. So this might be. It might be this one. It might be this one. Here.
So that would be
It might be this.
this way, right? This is here.
Yeah.
This is here.
Yeah. And
Yeah, the leaves looks okay. This one is here.
Yes, the leaf and the other leaf
This one is here. Yeah.
those dots, yeah, that's also.
Sí, is this. Okay, vale.
Please open.
Please.
No?
Yes,
Ah,
good.
nice,
Yeah,
good job.
so we
Let's go to the second one.
Okay.
Go, the second.
Can you put these away
Yeah, sure.
so I don't lose
Can I
them?
give it to you back? Yes. Yeah.
All right. I'll start reading.
Come on, come on.
Careful, huh? Okay. Yeah. Can we remove the shell first? Ah.
No, this one.
We just need to find these and fit them to letters. So, for example, here
Vale.
you see, there is Johan. So this one is
Sí.
J, right?
And this is R.
Yes.
R. Espera,
But why do we
Carmen.
need the tool? I'm not.
Probably-
Probably these, right?
Ay, perdón, sí.
Maybe we can put this a J.
Sí.
Wait.
Patón
J, the round J.
Here is J.
No, this is así.
Maybe like this.
Yes.
But I don't know which
direction.
direction. Like
We have a step here. Look for the 4 columns with engravings and compare them to figure 2. Figure 2. What figure 2 is here?
figure 2. Okay.
What number is in each column? So we need to find the columns
Par para for the
and pair them with the
croquet.
numbers, and then we get.
Okay, so this is
J. This one.
Javi, te veo.
Wait, from this side. Like this. Here. This one. Okay.
But how do we find
¿Y
the
qué esto
numbers?
qué?
Yeah,
Somebody
it's J.
wrote J.
Ya lo entiendo.
I think I see it. It's there. Balcony, you see? Just right in front.
Which one? Which
I
part
don't
of the
see it,
balcony?
but where are we now? Is the question.
Yeah, entrance. Esta es la entrada.
Carrera Gracia.
Are we looking
no,
at it?
we are here. This is Carrera Gracia. Sí. And this is Paseo de Gracia, exacto. We are here.
You know.
Full of taller people here, right?
Yeah. I was actually tired
Yeah.
last night because when they're talking to me, I was like, agad sitting up.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, you can put that here.
Okay,
And the other one, he has it.
with Stanley.
In Slovakia I feel short, but here I feel tall.
Really?
Yeah.
So if I go there,
It's even
Like a
taller
baby.
people, yeah.
I won't go there.
Reloj.
¿Y buscar qué?
Alrededor de las y buscar
So this is the one there on top, yeah.
el orden de los
We need to
mosaicos.
start there and
But-
go clockwise. So
¿Dónde empezamos?
we're going to the left.
We need to find now the
Is
next
there?
ones. Yes.
The
And then now we need
The
to
three
check the
connected
It's a secret
together.
match.
Yes, now we go down, yeah.
No.
No, we're now going here. So
Michael, we know it.
I'm just taking your videos, guys. Just
Documentation.
documenting
Yeah, you
everything there.
documentation. It's
I
very
know you can do it.
important. After you can send please this video.
Yeah.
It's
the last one?
It's the last one?
The blueprint to the list.
It's the last?
X
It's the last?
the spots.
Oh, we need one more.
we hold it up to the
So the blueprint.
Which blueprint?
this one here, probably here. Put the blue
There's no
up
X.
to the line.
To the line. Hello. Oh no, the
There are 3 X's.
X mark. Here, these are the spots. The X. But these.
Add them to discover the next code. We need to add them? What?
I don't understand.
The
But
Me
house
neither.
numbers. The house numbers. Okay.
the house numbers.
There should be some house numbers. So the X. Look the number.
Right. Do we have the
Espera.
map? Only 3 numbers, right?
Only three
numbers, yes.
Okay,
So
we have
at-
them.
It's the one on the round. This one here. Okay.
Give it to Jan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One. Es que no sé si está bien puesto.
Sí. It's okay.
Go, go.
Okay.
All right,
next one.
let's check.
Which one is the thing in Girona? No.
This is
Care Girona. Which one is Care de Girona? Is this one here? Okay, so we need to walk down.
Okay.
Now. We need to
Esto,
walk down.
esto, creo que son estos de aquí.
So we are at the start here?
Yes. So probably it's like this now. We're like this.
Yeah. Okay.
We might see one of those.
My guess is it will be either this
One
or
of
this. But we need to go back there. That way.
Será Yuria, okay.
So this cross section here is this, right?
Sí. Because now this is Carrer del Bruc. This is
Yes.
Bruc.
Okay.
Okay, we start one section, eh? Okay.
Dale.
Beat and then
Dos.
Dos.
Due in italiano.
Yeah, it's okay.
And
In Catalan is what to say. Ah, no, no puedo. Perdón.
Sorry. Let's just put them. 2, 4, 1, 5. Sorry.
Okay, all good.
Wait, all these things.
That's fine.
I hope we have the correct ones. I wasn't sure about this, the second one.
Is this?
Sí, sí, sí,
Good
sí.
job, guys.
All right, 5.
Es la Casa Batlló.
Okay, one more.
Vale, go.
Last one now.
So this one is first, the tower.
The tower one is first.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. This one is here. Okay.
Then the flat top.
The flat top. This one is this
Is
one.
the
second?
Yeah, the second.
Then this one with the one,
Sí.
The one here.
Three.
Okay.
the stairs are next,
The stairs here. Yeah.
and the last one.
And the last one here. Okay, maybe we put it down on the,
Yeah.
on the bench. The stairs.
We need to count the number of the symbols to get to the end.
Yeah.
Voy.
All right. 1, 2,
Yeah, and then you go down and then we
3,
go.
Ah, hostia, pues aquí te has dejado, ¿eh?
4,
¿Y este?
And they're also here, no?
Yeah.
5. 5 is
Okay,
first.
5. Okay.
2 squares. That's it. 2 squares.
No. Ah, yes.
Yeah.
we have it.
Nice. Okay.
Madre mía.
We need to run to take it back. One key does not match.
And they figured it out?
Oh.
That is the key that opens the treasure. Ah, okay. Return the key. We need to return the key. Sorry.
But we need to match the
Yeah, we
keys.
need to find which is the right key because only one.
And how do we find?
And how?
Match each key to a feature in the building.
So we're not done yet. We need to go outside again, right? Or it's just here. So there's a dragon, sword.
Ah, por deuda.
Really is hidden in the golden finishes. You can see it.
Oh, it's a puzzle?
You will find them on balconies, walls, and other house corners.
There's a present for you here. Thank you.
What experience? You like it?
Yes, I really
Very
enjoy
good.
it.
Yeah.
Can I have this? And I need all the materials inside.
Okay. Sorry, because
Oh, this is the price.
And this one is the last.
Did everyone see? Yeah.
Thank you.
Ayun. So, dito na kami sa labas ng Casa Batlló. Kaming tatlo pa lang. Si Ruth nasa loob pa. the 3 Filipinos na napagod. Grabe maglakad yung mga European, no?
Oo. Tapos ako, kung saan ako tumatawid. Not there.
Sa amin naman, sila yung kung saan tumatawid. Yung mga local.
Nag-ano kayo? Nag-mix kayo?
Hindi na. Kabsado ng taga dito.
Oo nga eh. Kasi buti nga taga dito yung isa. Yung taga pero sinadya yata nila i-mix tayo talaga sa parang naging tour guide sila, no? Yung mga local.
Akala namin na muna madadala sa ChatGPT.
Ah!
Hindi pala.
Kasi hanapin mo talaga yung bus. Grabe. Ang intricate ng mga building. Nakakaloka. Ayun, so napagod ako. Dinadrag ko na yung legs ko kanina sa paglalakad kasi ang bibilis nila maglakad, sanay na sanay sila. So as a Pinoy na hindi gumagalaw, good luck talaga sa amin. Pero ayun na, masaya siya. Good experience and na-tour namin yung sarili namin. Ay, ito na pala si Madam Ruth. Madam Ruth. Tapos na kayo? Tapos na.
Kamusta?
Congrats.
We got the gold.
Ah, kayo ba first?
Yes.
Ah, congrats. Competitive ko talaga.
Okay. They're good. Checking for the last.
Kasabay.
Because they're the first they got the gold.
Going back to the hotel. Naka 8,000 steps. 8,900. Sa pag-iikot sa Barcelona. Nakakapagod. Pero nung naglakad kami sa UP, naka 10,000 steps kami. Ilang ikot lang sa Oman. Pero dito parang sobrang hirap na hirap ako maglakad eh.
He has crazy ideas, but he says
Going back to the hotel, finally, magla-lunch na kami. So, oras ngayon is 1 p.m.
Actually, yung lunch pala nila, sabi, 1 talaga.
Ah, 1 talaga yun.
Oo, 1 daw talaga yung lunch. Or 2. Tapos magsisiesta sila.
Tapos,
Tapos after, mag-work sila ulit. Parang ganun.
parang sanay sila sa
Oo, sanay sila. Hindi sila, tapos yung dinner nila, 9 p.m. Kaya pala yung dinner natin
super parang mga 10 na nga yun. Okay. 8,000 steps na or almost 9K sa'yo, diba? 9K. Pero pag kami naglalakad sa UP, kaka 10K steps kami. Ng husband ko. Ni Nico. Shout out pare. Yung 8,000 ay 9,000 steps dito. Grabe yung pagod ko. Siguro dahil ang bigat-bigat ng wool coat, pang suot ko. Tapos doble-doble yung damit ko, ilang layers. Tapos ang bigat ng shoes kasi may makapal na socks, may suot pang wool na leggings, tapos jeans. So yung bigat ko nadagdagan pa, ang bigat ko na nga dagdagan pa. So kaya siguro sobrang nakakapagod yung paglalakad dito compare sa Pilipinas na manipis lang yung suot mo. Pero mas masarap maglakad dito kasi malamig. Tsaka ganda ng mga building, ganda ng paligid pala, that's the correct word. Ayan, tingnan mo naman yun. Tsaka yung mga tao dito parang sanay na sanay talaga silang maglakad. Hindi katulad sa atin, puro car. Dito, ayan, may bike. Mga bike sila. Bike, scooter, tapos lakad-lakad. Kahit kailan nga, kasi lumakas yung ulan. Tapos, yung mga inmates ko, sa kanilang nababasa sila. So, nandun kami sa labas ng building, nagpapaulan. So, nagpaulan na rin. Kailangan naman pumasok ako. Wala na ako ambag. Video lang ambag ko. Kasi ako makahabol sa kanila, tatangkad nila. Ganun. Nambibilis nila maglakad. So, tsaka kaya naman nila isolve talaga yung puzzles. Hindi nila ako kailangan. Anyway, na-enjoy ko naman.
Ito yung food namin guys. Every lunch. Nakatayo kami. Walang chair dito. Hindi uso.
Sa wakas, may Shanghai.
Sa Shanghai. Pero,
Shanglo.
siyang low kasi.
Maliit.
Yan. Siyang low daw.
Yan, yung mga taong ginagalaw nyo sa early office yan, ganyan mag-joke.
Ayan, ano tawag dyan?
Hindi ko alam eh. Si Ruth ang ano dito. Ruth, ano daw tawag dito?
Mahindi na. Burger! Burger! So, diet muna kami. Ganyan na.
Can you demonstrate how you will eat it?
Pogi pala siya.
For the vlog.
So guys, it's a small burger. Approximately 5
Radius.
3 inches, 3 inches in diameter. The radius is 2.5.
Mga 2 inches lang yan. Wala pa nga yata.
Do you know how?
Not like this. I see. Okay.
So it's plant-based. So I don't know.
What's the taste? So how did they get a bread from the plant?
They plant the seedlings. You see these sesame seeds? If you plant this, it will grow up with the bread, and then you pick it up. And then yeah. And then, you got the bread.
Pagbigyan niya na guys kasi uwi na yan.
So we will examine the inside. We will dissect it.
Wag na, wag na.
You're a doctor.
Tigilan natin to.